abandoned by humanity. What's it been like here?
It's been like hell. It's been like hell. We have people here, sick people, haven't had medicine in 4 days.
We just worried about medication for my mom because she's almost out of insulin. My sister is going through a sickle cell attack right now. We're trying to see if what we can do to get some IV fluids to her. We're trying to keep the babies hydrated.
In my bed, my little baby getting sick. He just keep crying and diarrhea. He don't have no more milk or nothing. I've been crying for 2 days, and I try not to let him see me cry.
What do you do as a reporter? Like, people are asking you for water, and like, I had a few bottles and I gave it away, but like, I can't help them.